or through us can be promoted. So promotion of Indian education globally through scholarship, international partnership is quite possible as a kind of means to strengthen the soft power equations in India. Now, indigenous sports, I know some of you have seen, but I can invite Malkham, one of the unique Indian, Kalarekpa, Thanta of Manipur. Okay? So Indian, indigenous sports which we are now grooming through new education policy will be, visible now when it comes to. So India has emerged as a major player.
Professor, because of the time. Professor?
Is it time is up? Okay, I will conclude. So India has emerged as a major player in the global technology landscape with a strong presence. And as we know, we have decided to, improve. Just look at 3. Indian UGC, University Grants Commission, the former secretary, Rajni Singh, who import. We had a discussion very recently. And new, UGC members, we had a close discussion. When I propose, there is room for promoting each other, direct and indirect exchange program can take place. Come to the close. Stop slides, yes.
Okay. Professor? I think maybe I want to open the floor for one question. Is that the question? For one question, because of the time. Now it's going
Yeah. We can directly jump to the question session, no problem. Yes, now I have concluded with the proposal is that it is possible to visit in India. Indian can go to Thailand, learn good thing. You can visit India, you can learn and try to understand and promote each other. With this word, I would like to conclude. And questions are open. I would like to attend if there are questions. Now, I have concluded my presentation.
Is there any question? Any question? ไหมครับใครก็ได้นะครับเราก็ได้นะครับนะครับ I think there's no question.
Yeah, is it Amway? Yeah, we can have because I would like to promote and invite all of you to India, particularly Northeast India, different private and state and central university. And also we can make a trip to, Delhi for cultural exchange program. They have agreed. These, UCC people, new members have agreed. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much, Professor, for your time, considerations, and on behalf of the audience, I would like to deeply thank you for Professor Gamri for sharing very insightful, especially about soft power. So once again, Professor, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Gamri, and see you in the future.